Balling on a budget production.
We're the last of the cowboys, giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed. Rolling like Jesse James, a modern day outlaw gang. If you're out here riding with me, come on back and make some noise. We're the last of the cowboys. It's a family tradition, diesel's running through our veins. Our daddy showed us the ropes, we were born in the fast lane. Branded by our heroes, taught to saddle up and move. We keep this country rolling, we're damn proud of what we do. We're the last of the cowboys, the giddy up gone boys. 18 wheels on the concrete, it's a slow and dying breed.
Full. Hate this damn traffic, man. We're gonna be here for a while. We'll be back. Oh, bitch. The light ain't working, bro. Alright guys, I'm gonna show y'all this right quick. I got the panels taped up. I don't want to take them off because yeah, it would be too much. So instead I just taped it up. I got it all half-ass taped up just so it doesn't, not like it matters, this faded ass paint, but you know, either way. Got it all mocked up, got the pipe. Oh shit, lost my train of thought. Like for the 10th time. Either way, that's covered. Got it all to the back. Should be good. I got cardboard right here. Now I can put it up against the bottom and underneath the tank so it doesn't get overspray. I'm more worried about the bottom than the actual truck because I mean, come on. I think if I get overspray on it, it'll probably be better, right? But anyways, yeah. I'll show you guys as I'm painting it. We'll go from there. Alright guys, as you can already tell, it's not the same purple, which I kind of figured, because it's kind of hard to paint match faded fucking purple. But either way, this is not perfect. But I had used this color purple. I can see a little bit more. It looked like the truck. I ordered some, painted it, and nope, it was too fucking bright. So I found this old ass purple can in my toolbox from I don't know when, and they got a lot darker. As you can tell, it's still off, but it was darker, so I said the hell with it, I'm gonna leave it like that. My paint is so shitty, the tape ripped off and they pulled the paint off too. Just my luck. So I'm gonna end up respraying this because I don't like that there's a big ass difference. So I'm gonna pull the paint off there. Fuck my life. But either way, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Hey guys, now that I have you guys here, went ahead and put the 3 watermelon lights there. Pretty self-explanatory. Take the old ones off, put the new ones on. So didn't record that. And I chopped the top of the breather. But yeah, that's it.